Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. This space is for soft hearts, gentle love, and connections that feel calm instead of confusing. If you believe attraction doesn't have to be loud, dramatic, or exhausting, you're exactly where you belong. Today's video is about the tiny habits that work quietly but deeply, the kind you don't plan or force, the kind that make someone feel emotionally safe around you. These habits don't scream for attention. They whisper comfort, and comfort is addictive. Some attachments don't happen instantly. They build slowly through warmth and consistency. They grow through moments that feel small but meaningful. A tone of voice, a smile, or the way you exist in a room can change everything. These are the habits that stay in someone's mind when you're not around, the ones that make someone miss you without understanding why. Today we're talking about soft habits that gently make him attached without pressure or games. 1. Soft voice moments. Sometimes your voice naturally softens when you feel comfortable with him. You speak slower, gentler, and warmer without even realizing it. Your words don't rush or compete for attention. They feel calm and safe. Even simple conversations feel intimate in that tone. Silence between sentences feels peaceful, not awkward. Your voice carries warmth instead of tension. That softness changes the emotional atmosphere instantly. He starts listening more closely, even when the topic is random. He feels emotionally relaxed without knowing why. Your tone makes him feel welcome instead of judged. He doesn't feel the need to perform or impress. Your softness lowers his emotional guard. Conversations feel easier and more honest. Your voice becomes something he associates with comfort. It stays in his mind longer than he expects. Over time, your voice becomes familiar safety to him. He remembers it during quiet moments. He misses it on stressful days. It becomes part of his emotional memory. Softness creates emotional attachment slowly. Emotional attachment deepens through repetition. He feels calmer just thinking about you. Your voice becomes part of his emotional peace. 2. Cute awkwardness. You stumble over your words sometimes, and you don't hide it. You laugh at yourself instead of feeling embarrassed. Your reactions feel real, not polished. That awkwardness feels honest and human. It removes pressure from the moment instantly. You don't pretend to be perfect. You let moments unfold naturally. That authenticity feels comforting. He feels safe being imperfect around you. He doesn't fear being judged. Your awkward smiles make him relax emotionally. He feels accepted without effort. Conversations don't feel rehearsed. They feel genuine and easy. That emotional ease is rare. It creates trust without words. Over time, your awkwardness becomes part of your charm. He associates you with emotional honesty. He trusts you more deeply. He opens up naturally. Attachment grows where there is acceptance. Your presence feels emotionally safe. That safety stays with him long after moments pass. 3. Goofy with friends, soft with him. Around your friends, your laughter is loud and free. You joke, tease, and express yourself fully. Your energy feels playful and chaotic in a fun way. But with him, your tone softens naturally. Your laughter becomes quieter. Your presence feels calmer. The shift isn't forced, it just happens. He notices the difference without you explaining it. It feels personal, not exclusive. He feels emotionally close to you. Moments with you feel intentional. He senses comfort in the quiet. That contrast creates intimacy. It feels like something special he gets to experience. Over time, he becomes attached to that softer side. It feels peaceful and grounding. He values the calm you bring. He associates you with emotional closeness. That gentle energy stays with him. Attachment grows in subtle emotional shifts. Your softness becomes memorable. 4. Cozy clothes energy. You choose comfort over attention. Oversized hoodies, loose shirts, and relaxed outfits feel natural on you. You look soft and approachable. Your presence feels warm. There's no pressure in how you show up. You feel real. That comfort radiates emotionally. It changes the mood instantly. He feels drawn to that ease without understanding why. Sitting near you feels natural. Conversations feel calmer. Your comfort makes him relax. You feel safe to be around. That emotional warmth feels inviting. He feels at home without realizing it. Over time, comfort becomes familiarity. Familiarity becomes attachment. He associates you with peace. Your presence feels grounding. He misses the calm you bring. Cozy energy builds emotional bonds quietly. Comfort always stays longer than excitement. 5. Quiet confidence. You don't try to prove anything about yourself. You speak when you want to, not because you're nervous about silence. Your confidence doesn't come from attention. It comes from comfort within yourself. You know who you are, even when you're quiet. You don't overshare just to feel seen. Your calm presence fills the space naturally. You're okay being soft and strong at the same time. That balance feels grounding. It feels rare. He feels relaxed around you because there's no pressure. He doesn't feel tested or judged. Your confidence makes him feel safe being himself. He doesn't have to impress you constantly. Conversations feel equal and natural. He senses that you choose him, not need him. That difference matters emotionally. It builds respect quietly. Respect always leads to attachment. Over time, your calm confidence stays in his mind. He remembers how steady you felt. He compares other connections to that peace. Your presence becomes something he values deeply. Confidence without ego feels soothing. It creates emotional stability. Emotional stability creates attachment. He feels safe choosing you again and again. Number 6, gentle playfulness. Your playfulness is soft, not loud. You tease lightly with smiles instead of sharp words. Your humor feels affectionate, never insecure. You laugh easily and invite him into that joy. Moments feel lighter around you. Even ordinary conversations turn fun. Your energy feels warm and welcoming. It's never overwhelming. It's comforting. He feels free to be playful with you. He doesn't worry about saying the wrong thing. Your reactions feel kind and accepting. Laughter becomes effortless between you. Inside jokes start forming naturally. That shared humor feels intimate. It creates a private world. One only the two of you understand. Over time, he misses that lightness. He craves the way you make moments feel easy. Your playfulness becomes emotional relief for him. He associates you with happiness. That happiness feels safe, not chaotic. Safe happiness builds attachment. He feels closer without realizing when it happened. Having your own life. You have your own routines, interests, and little joys. You don't revolve your world around him. You show up because you want to, not because you're lonely. Your life feels full and balanced. That independence feels attractive. It shows emotional maturity. You're connected but not dependent. That balance feels healthy. He doesn't feel pressure to be everything for you. Instead, he feels chosen. Time apart makes moments together feel special. He notices you don't chase attention. You value quality over constant contact. That makes him curious. He naturally wants to reach out more. Space creates pull. Over time, he respects you deeply. He admires how grounded you are. Your independence makes him feel secure, not distant. Attachment grows stronger when there's freedom. He feels emotionally safe staying close. You don't drain his energy. You add to his life gently. 8. Calm. Peaceful energy. Being around you feels emotionally calm. You don't create unnecessary tension. Conversations feel clear and easy. Silence doesn't feel awkward. Your presence feels steady. He knows where he stands with you. That clarity feels reassuring. Your energy feels grounding. It slows everything down. His stress lowers around you. His mind feels quieter. He doesn't feel the need to perform. He can just exist. That emotional ease feels rare. He feels understood without explaining himself. Your calm becomes a safe space. Safety is deeply attractive. Over time, he seeks that peace. He returns to what feels grounding. Your presence becomes emotional comfort. Comfort turns into attachment. Attachment turns into preference. He feels drawn to your calm naturally. Peace always stays longer than excitement. Soft habits don't force attachment, they invite it. They don't chase attention, they create comfort. And comfort is what the heart remembers the longest. These habits work quietly, gently, and naturally. They don't need strategy or effort. They come from being at ease with yourself. And that ease is powerful. If this video felt comforting, familiar, or felt like you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which soft habit do you feel you already have? And which one are you growing into? Soft love always finds its way.